All right, guys, quick little project here. I once had a garage door guy, actually the guy that installed these doors, tell me that every year you should lubricate all the mechanisms on the thing. The hinges in the middle, the hinges on the sides, the rollers. He said even try to get a little bit in around the bearings up there on top, spray the springs because they move on, you know, they kind of rub together as the thing's going up and down, I guess. Your latch mechanism up there. And, you know, I asked him what I should use. He recommended WD-40. He said it's real light and, you know, it doesn't attract a bunch of dirt like if you were to smear grease all over it, you know. And it's easy to do. He said you can kind of stand back and just hose it down with WD-40. He said pay special attention to these rollers. These are supposed to go in and out. He said a lot of your garage door problems are caused by these rollers getting sticky and not moving in and out sideways like that. So I already did this door and it didn't take probably a quarter a can of WD-40. It didn't make much of a mess. You see just a few little spots there on the concrete, a few little spots here where I stood back and sprayed the chain even. I kind of stood back here and squirted over top of the thing to get the sprocket and that on top of the motor, and also just hosed down that sprocket. And like I say, I just sprayed the whole length of that chain. Now, like I say, it doesn't make a whole lot of mess, but I went ahead and moved out. Normally the tractor sits here, my truck sits there, and wife's car sits over there. So I went ahead and moved all those vehicles out. It's only gonna take me just a couple of minutes, and I'm just gonna hose down. I'm gonna start here. Nothing special about it. Go ahead and spray that mechanism. That rope's always wrapped up on it, but you know, I ain't gonna get too worried about making a mess. And like right there, that's a pretty good reach for me, spraying up there. But if I need to, I can just flip that straw out. These WD-40 cans all come with a straw now. So you flip that straw out and you can stand back even further then and make sure you get your spring. Hose that down real good. You want to do this once a year. So I don't know, it kind of sticks in my head to do it in spring around Easter because I think about the garage door spring. So I don't know, it always sticks in my head that way. But I'm gonna go ahead and, like I say, I kind of make a mess. I ain't afraid. And sorry if I'm making you sick with my video skills here. But I want to kind of show you everything that I spray. And I spray all that mechanism up there. Probably can't see. But again, I get, you know, where the cable rides on that pulley even. It ain't gonna hurt to get some on there. And so I'm pretty much gonna hose all this down here. And then I'm gonna even go a step further. I'm gonna hit the door button. And I'm gonna let it go up, and I might spray it while it's going up. Spray the stuff. And then while it's up, I'm gonna spray it again. You know, because those that pin on that one there looks like it came out a little bit. You know, when it was down here at the bottom, that pin might have been pushed in when I sprayed it. You know, it got it on one side pretty good, but now that it's pushed out on the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of a touch up while it's up in the air now. And you probably see it starting to drip just a little bit. That's okay. I'm gonna hit it all. You know, WD-40 is cheap, and garage door maintenance is not something on most people's minds. So, but when the damn thing breaks, boy, it's a real pain in the butt. So, go ahead and I'm just gonna fog up there on top of that thing. Probably won't break that light bulb. Hopefully it don't. Come back over here. Hit that while it's going. Just gonna spray that chain real good. that all sprocket up there. That's it. Like I say, it don't make much of a mess. And you can see I was really using it. Now, between these two doors, oh, I've probably used half a can, maybe a little more. Didn't make much of a mess. A couple of drips on the floor. And that should be good for another year. So I'll probably work this door up and down a couple more times just to let it, you know, make sure I'm working the oil in all them places. If you watch them pins, you can see them going in and out as they go up sometimes. So I'll work it while it's really saturated with that WD-40. We'll work in pins in and out. And that'll be it. And I won't have to worry about this. Hopefully I won't have to worry about this garage door at all for another year. Didn't take, what, about 5 minutes to do that. So that's all I got on this one, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If I helped you on this video, maybe I got you to thinking about something you never thought about before, click that like button. Any comments you want to leave down below, I'll try to answer any questions you might have. And until the next video, keep on tinkering.